What is up, everyone? This is FNH here with a brand new video to talk about how to fix the NP-40833-8 PS4 error code that you may be receiving. So I made a video about this a little over 2 years ago, I believe, or a little over a year ago, on how to essentially fix this error code. I would definitely recommend you watching that video because that would be one of my top 3 ways that I'm going to mention in this video on how to essentially fix this error code. And in that one, to get right into the video, it was port forwarding. What you can essentially do to fix this error code is change your port forward to allow the PlayStation 4 to directly connect to your, internet, and it knows that you're not hacking. All the access is there and nothing incorrect or wrong is going to happen. So I would highly recommend you watching that video and doing this first. Now, that is my #1 working way because it worked for me, it worked for a couple friends, it worked for a lot of people who watched the video. You can see I have over almost 70k views and a lot of comments where people saying it works. So definitely give that a shot first. Now, if that doesn't work for you, I'm going to talk about my next 2 ways. That one, I have tried a few with my friends who's this occurred to, and 2 is going off of people who have mentioned in the comments like, hey, try this works as well. So essentially, one of these things that could possibly be the reason for the error or the fix that you could do is it's waited out. It's just wait out 24 hours. So this could kind of suck, honestly, because if you don't want to wait, let's say you just bought the latest Call of Duty game, or you want to play Minecraft or Fortnite with your friends and it's a tournament or something of the sort, and you can't wait it out. And I understand that. I feel the pain because that was my situation. I don't recall if it was a TV show or if it was a game that I bought or something and I really wanted to play. And I'm like, yo, I cannot wait. I cannot fix this later. I need to fix this now, and I resolved it through that port forwarding error fix that I found, basically. So yeah, you can wait it out if you have the time and patience. Definitely give it a shot. A lot of people mention that after 24 hours it ends up working for them, so I would highly recommend you going down that route if you can. The next thing, or the top 3rd way, this worked for my friend, is switch your router or connect through a hotspot. Switching a router definitely does help and work, and if you don't have a router readily available in your house or wherever you currently are, your dorm, your apartment, just connect it to a hotspot. You definitely have a phone. Turn on hotspot on your phone, disconnect your router and unplug it. Let it turn off, let it reset, let it whatever. Don't plug it back in yet. Connect your PS4 to the hotspot. And once it's connected to that, it should be a very simple connect. Just do like a simple password, very simple stuff. Once that's connected, just play for 10 minutes, watch a YouTube video, do something like very quick, don't go crazy on it. And then after like 5 to 10 minutes of time passing by, restart your PS4, restart your router, now turn it on, reconnect them, and voila, it should essentially work. This is something that a lot of people said this worked, and my friend tried it. It worked for him as well. I actually mentioned this to him after reading your guys' comments. And yeah, I was like, okay, this works. Highly recommend you guys giving that a shot as well. So those are my top 3 ways: the port forwarding, waiting 24 hours, or essentially doing the router switch. I would recommend getting your ISP changed, or your internet, IP address, sorry, not ISP, your IP address, and by calling your ISP provider, your internet service provider. A few people asked what that was, and they may suck. That's the reason why I'm not mentioning it this time, because for me, if I ask them, I have in the past a few times for other reasons, they changed it, and I didn't know other internet service providers sucked. They don't really listen to the consumers, so which kind of sucks. So that's why I'm not really recommending it. If you guys think it works for you, give it a shot. Call them up, tell them to change your IP address. It should work. It's just a Sony thing because they think you were trying to hack because you continuously tried to log in with an incorrect password. They think you're trying to hack into their system or something. I don't know why Sony thinks that. It's so weird. They're extremely overprotective of their servers and their system. I found this very silly. I don't think calling will help them. I've had a few people tell me that, so that kind of sucks. What I would recommend is, in the video, definitely watch this one. I will leave a link for this in the description below, and check out the comments. A lot of people have a lot of different strategies that you guys can definitely check out and give those a shot. And if those work for you, go for it. Like some people said, they just restarted their PS4 and it worked. So I would highly recommend you reading the comments as well. So yeah, this was the tutorial, guys. I do hope you guys found this helpful and informative. If you did, please smash that like button. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And if you're stuck on anything, let me know in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to help you. Or if you're having a different error code issue, let me know in the comments below. I'll make a video on that as well. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.